Hey everyone, welcome back. Or if this is your first time here, I'm really glad you clicked on this video. Today, I'm about to show you something that could completely change the way you handle one of the biggest and most regular expenses in your life: groceries. We all spend money on food, right? Whether you're shopping for yourself or a whole family, groceries are a major part of the monthly budget. But what if I told you there's a credit card with secret powers that can turn those grocery bills into serious cashback rewards? I'm talking about the American Express Blue Cash Preferred card. A card that's not just popular, but powerful if you use it the right way. In this video, we're going to uncover those secret grocery powers, how they work, how much you can actually save, and why this card could be one of the smartest financial tools in your wallet. So make sure to watch this video all the way through because I've got some real-world examples and one final pro tip near the end that most people completely miss. And hey, if you enjoy smart money content like this, hit that subscribe button, tap the like, and let's get started. Let's start with the heart of this card: cashback. Most credit cards offer cashback in the 1 to 2% range. Sometimes they throw in a rotating category or quarterly bonus. But the Amex Blue Cash Preferred does something much more direct and, honestly, much more powerful. It gives you 6% cashback at US supermarkets. And this isn't some one-time promo. This is built-in, consistent, reliable cashback on something nearly every household spends money on every single week: groceries. If you spend even modestly on food, this adds up quickly. Let's do a quick mental calculation. Let's say you spend about $500 a month on groceries. That's fairly average for a small family. With this card, that turns into $30 cashback every month. That's $360 a year just from your regular shopping. You didn't work extra hours. You didn't jump through hoops. You just used the right card at the right place. Now there is a limit. The 6% applies up to $6,000 in supermarket purchases per year. Once you cross that, you drop down to 1%. But for most people, that $6,000 cap is more than enough to capture the maximum value. And if you're someone with a larger household, or you buy bulk items often, you'll still get excellent value, especially if you pair this with a second rewards card after hitting the cap. But the Blue Cash Preferred doesn't stop at groceries. There's also 6% cash back on select streaming services. That means every time your Netflix subscription hits, or Disney+, Hulu, Spotify, Apple Music, Amex is giving you 6% of that money right back. These aren't temporary bonus offers. They're core benefits. And when you add up all your subscriptions, it could be $60, $80, even $100 a month. $60, $80, even $100 a month. That's more easy cash. Beyond that, you get 3% back at US gas stations and on transit. So whether you drive yourself to work or take the bus, train, or even ride shares like Uber or Lyft, you're still getting rewarded. A lot of cards limit cashback to one or two types of transportation, but this one is more flexible, which makes it more useful in daily life. All other purchases earn 1% cashback. Nothing fancy there, but when you're already getting such strong rates on your top categories, the 1% on everything else is a nice backup. Now let's talk about one of the main reasons people hesitate to get this card: the annual fee. It's $95. And yes, anytime you see a fee on a credit card, your instinct is to pull back. Nobody likes to pay to spend. But here's the thing. With this card, if you spend even $31 a week at the grocery store, you'll earn back that fee in rewards by the end of the year. That's less than most people spend in a single trip. And the rest? That's all pure cashback going right into your pocket. So if you're someone who's spending hundreds per month on groceries and entertainment, this card doesn't just pay for itself, it pays you back, hard. Let's also look at how smooth Amex makes the user experience. Their app is intuitive. Customer service is among the best in the industry. Disputes, fraud detection, transaction tracking, it's all handled with the professionalism you expect from a premium brand. And even though this is a cash-back card, not a travel card, you still get solid built-in protections like car rental insurance, purchase protection, and extended warranty coverage. These things matter, especially when you're using the card for everyday purchases like appliances, electronics, or household tools. One of the most underrated parts of this card is how invisible the rewards feel. You're not checking in every 5 minutes. You're not logging into some portal to activate a category. You just swipe the card at the grocery store and the rewards start stacking. It's effortless. You can even set up autopay on streaming services and never think about it again. And if you're the type of person who likes